Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the liquid glass display on your iOS 26. So if you recently installed iOS 26 beta and you want to remove this annoying see-through glass like this, so let me show you how you can do this on your iOS 26. So first, you want to go ahead and open up settings. In settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down, find accessibility, then scroll down and find display and text size. Tap on this. Now here you need to find this option called reduce transparency. So go ahead and turn this feature on. Now go back. Now when you go ahead and bring down your notification or you bring down your control panel, you'll see that the liquid glass display is now switched off. So there's no more see-through menus. Everything is all solid, so there's no more transparency. So there you go guys, that is how to turn off the liquid glass display on iOS 26.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.